how to turn on or turn off clock in customized apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top. From the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next in here, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, scroll down, then tap on Customization Service. Now from here, we tap on Clock to get prompted to turn off your regular wake up alarm if you get up before it goes off. So tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on clock customization. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.